Hi friends, this is Parvati from Opera Caps Techie. Welcome to my channel. I need your support, so please subscribe, share and like my videos. Also, you can mention your valuable comments in the comment box. Today I am uploading here the video for statutory declaration from the previous colleague or otherwise your current colleague. Okay. This document is the secondary document for our visa process. I already uploaded one video regarding the experience reference letter. You can check in my previous videos. Okay, and that time I mentioned if you didn't get the experience reference letter from your previous employer, same as like that format, if you didn't get it, you can submit the secondary document, that is this document. Okay, this is the one experience reference letter from your colleague. Okay, in this one, the first section we are giving the introduction about your colleague. So colleague name, colleague passport number, designation, employer name, employee ID, that means your colleague ID, and the duration. So the joining date, and if end date already resigned from there, you want to mention the end date. They want to mention their end date. Okay, and the second point, they want to mention our details. That means the applicant details, my details mentioned here, my name, passport number, employer name, joining date and end date. Okay, these are the details mainly we want to mention. Then in the third point, they mentioned why they are giving this one, the reason. Okay, and the next section, they are mentioning about our duty hours per week and the duration, and then full time or part time, these details they want to mention. Then the next one regarding the duties and responsibilities, they want to mention, that means your colleague want to mention, they can confirm that yeah, she is working as a pharmacist and she performed, these are the duties like they want to mention. So after that, at the end of this one, your colleague want to mention their contact details, their contact mail ID, contact number, and their address also they want to mention. After that, they want to mention where they are declaring this one, the place and when, the date also they want to mention, and the colleague signature. Then at the end of this document is the notary attestation. Notary attestation is very, very important. They want to take care of this notary attestation. That means your colleague want to, in front of the notary person, they want to mention this, the signature and the date and the place. Okay, they want to mention these details, and then the notary person want to attest this document. What are the important details want for the notary attestation? I mentioned here a detail about the notary attestation person, the legal consultant. This is from the UAE. So because of that, this format, where is your place, as per that, as per the notary, you want to follow that details. Okay. Then their seal, sign, address, then their signature. Okay, these are the notary, consultant person, the legal person signature also want to mention here. These are the important details we want to know about the staff affidavit or the reference letter, experience letter from reference letter from your previous colleague. Okay, yeah, I need your support, so please subscribe, share and like my videos. Today I'm end up here. Thank you.